Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove music from a TikTok video. If your video has already been posted, TikTok does not allow you to directly remove or change the music. To work around this, open the video on your profile and tap the share button or the three dots menu. Select Save Video to download it to your device. After the video is saved, open the menu again and tap Delete to remove the original post. Next, tap the plus icon to create a new TikTok post and upload the saved video. Once you reach the editing screen, tap volume and lower the original sound to 0 if you want the video to be silent. You can also choose a different sound if needed. Then, continue and repost the video. If you are still editing a video before posting it, removing music is much easier. Tap the song title shown at the top of the editing screen. You should see an option to remove or deselect the audio track. Tap it, and the music will be removed from your video. If you want to mute the video's original audio instead, tap volume and drag the original sound slider all the way down to 0%. In some versions of TikTok, you can also tap the speaker icon to mute the audio track completely. Thanks for watching.